What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Motor Wolf Brontosaurus auxiliary LED lights for my Leoncino 500. Isn't the Brontosaurus a dinosaur or something? I don't see the connection between dinosaurs and motorcycles, but anyways. So Brontosaurus auxiliary lights, let's go. The first thing you want to do is install the little bracket here, okay, and then do the same on the other side. Get done. So you just need an 8mm bracket socket for this thing here. You might want to remove the tank before you start doing that, because there's like a ton of wires and stuff like that. So you might find the tank in the way of whatever it is that you're doing. So because you're gonna have all this wiring and stuff, you're definitely gonna need a bunch of zip ties for this job. I already have lots of wires for my phone charger and sat nav, and another charger here. So yeah, it's all tied to the lights. You know, it's tied to the frame, right? Just tuck everything under. So this unit is just gonna be like right there, like loose here. So the lights are connected. 1, 2, the battery, the fuse relay thingy here. One thing you want to bear in mind is when you tie the cables to the frame, you might want to make sure like you left enough slack for the steering, for the handlebars. So as you can see, it's pulling on the wire. So if you haven't left enough slack, it's just gonna rip everything apart basically. So make sure you leave some good slack here. All right. Yeah, so the ACC relay thing is right there behind the batteries here. Okay. Right there on the side. On the Leoncino, it says main number 1. Then, as you can see, for my sat nav, you got the wire. You might want to strip that thing a little bit. 2 different holes. So with this unit here is a little spot. It should fit right in. The switch right there comes with the bracket. It also comes with this kind of bracket. So I suppose it goes on the handlebar on this side, I suppose. Here. When you install the bracket, I guess you could choose. You can choose above the thing here, or under. So under, or like right above the light switch. So I'm just gonna try that for now. All right, guys, that's the moment of truth. Well, I can hear some kind of noise. Yeah. I'll be putting up a review of the lights. Obviously, like after I've used it for a while, maybe in about a month or so. You can find these on Aliexpress. I paid about 40 euros for these, and on Aliexpress they're a lot more expensive. Don't know why, but maybe because I'm in China, and you know, I'll be putting a link down in the description. Yeah, that's about it. So any questions, make sure you leave a comment. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more Chinese motorcycle news. See ya.